Okay, so this one is from my secret Sansa, who's a character in A Song of Ice and Fire. So this is from, we all signed up on the forum of the podcast that I do to exchange presents. And this one came all the way from Arlington, Virginia, from my very good friend, Casey, who's Blue-Eyed Queen on the forum. I don't need a knife, I got skills.
You got survival skills,
I got package opening skills.
I thought I was going to catch an elbow in the mouth there.
No.
So.
I know what I'm doing.
Of course you does. It looks like it's food.
Oh, she sent me grocery bags because she knows we have to pay for them now, which is perfect. Thank you, Casey.
That's great.
Very practical.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, cool. Oh my God, that is so awesome.
What is it?
It's a Hand of the King pin. Like a burly one. Oh, that's very nice. And some little socks. Oh, there's Stranger Things socks. Yeah. Oh, and a little handmade ornament. Aww. Oh, I'm going to hang that on the tree. That's lovely. Oh, that reminds me of my grandmother's crochet. There's one more. This is a just... oh my God, there's so much more. There's all these goodies.
Joy, huh?
Another Stranger Things, a candle. Smells like buttery, warm waffles. And syrup.
Ooh, can I see?
Yes.
Yeah, pass that around.
Sleep is good and books are better. Tyrion Lannister. Bookmark, and I will need this when Winds of Winter comes this year. I'm hoping.
One another hit.
Let's see.
It's a strange scent, but it's okay.
Ho ho Hodor.
Pancakes and syrup.
Dear Hannah, Hodor, which means happy holiday. I hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday and a great new year. Hope you like everything. I love it. The socks have a bit of subliminal message. I apologize for that, but I think it's barely noticeable and kind of funny. Hope to talk to you soon in the Upside Down. That is podcasting on Lock. Secret Sansa. Oh, thank you so much, Casey. Merry Christmas. This is my dad. And this is the little Shadow Baby and Rowena. And Mr. Shadow Baby's behind the camera. Love you. See you soon in the Upside Down. Mwah.